Hello everyone, welcome to Gehna's channel, and today I am going to share aloo paratha recipe with you all. So let's start. So here I am boiling few potatoes. Until our potatoes are boiling, we will take 2 onion, some green chilies and coriander, and we will chop them finely to make our batter. Meanwhile our potatoes are completely boiled. We will take them out and peel them. After doing all these things, it's time to prepare our batter. So first I have taken a pan and put some oil into it. Here I am adding cumin, onion along with some green chilies as you can see, and we will stir it 2 to 3 minutes. After this we will add onion garlic paste into it and red chili powder, salt and amchur powder, which is also known as raw mango powder. And at last we will add our crushed boiled potatoes into the pan and we will mix it well. So let's start making our parathas. So here our paratha is ready. Let's eat it with butter. It's too yum. I hope you guys liked the video. Thanks for watching. Bye.